In this week's episode of Mod Mondays, we're going to be installing this Hitch mount LED pod reverse light by DIODE DYNAMICS on this 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. Let's go. I bought this product from this awesome store called Yotaverse, and they sell various off-road products perfect for the Tacoma and Toyota owners in general. My experience with them was great, and their response game on inquiries is quick and informative. I'll highly suggest you check them out and check their website, which I'll link in the description box below. This is the packaging that the Hitch mount LED pod reverse light came with. It comes with these DIODE DYNAMICS decals in white, this nice and simple DIODE DYNAMICS logo, this instruction manual detailing the parts included in the installation process, zip ties that we'll use to cable manage later in the install, this plug-and-play wire harness that we'll use to connect the Hitch mount LED pod reverse light, which comes with this weatherproof connector for the Hitch mount LED reverse light, this safety strobe module for the fourth brake light, and this T-style connectors to connect to the Tacoma's OEM pin connectors. Lastly, here is the Hitch mount LED pod reverse light. This is the C1R version that allows for the pulsing effect in addition to the reverse light LED. This has a premium feel to it, about 2x2 by 3 inches, and comes with these snap fins and tension tabs to keep it secured. Let's start this installation with attaching the plug-and-play wire harness to the Tacoma. Head over to your truck and access the OEM pin connection located on the left side of your rear bumper. We're going to need to disconnect the pin connector from the Tacoma. Simply push this tab down and pull the connector out. Note that this might be tight, so patience is required. Once disconnected, you'll install the plug-and-play wire harness to this. Grab the included T-harness and install the long end to the OEM pin connector we just removed. Make sure to line up the tabs and push until you hear a click for a secured connection. When that's complete, simply plug the short end to the OEM pin connector slot. Like the long end, simply line up the tabs and connect until you hear a click for proper connection. Then grab the end of the harness and feed the connector through the backside of your trailer hitch. After connecting the plug-and-play wire harness to the Tacoma, let's now install the Hitch mount LED pod reverse light. Start by removing the OEM hitch cover by simply pulling it out. Then grab the Hitch mount LED pod reverse light and connect this to the end of the plug-and-play T-harness. Make sure that the hitch connector is inserted all the way for a seamless connection, lining up the tabs until it clicks into place. When that's complete, simply push the LED pod reverse light into your 2-inch receiver until the pins are secured in the pinholes. Then grab the provided zip ties and cable manage the T-harness to avoid it being caught while driving. If you're enjoying this video so far, please smash that like and subscribe button to support the channel. The last step of this installation is to test the Hitch mount LED pod reverse light. Here's a footage of the fourth brake light in action. As you can see, the installation was successful and the light turns on when we press on the brake. This is a nice added safety feature when stopping. This light also turns on when we unlock and lock the vehicle. Also, here's a video of the pulsing effect of the C1R version of the hitch light. This will turn on the first time you press the brake and stay solid the second time around. And here is the reverse light feature of this accessory. As you can see, it's bright and can lit up the rear of your Tacoma when in reverse. Lastly, here are some footage of this in action at night. And that's it for this week's episode of Mod Mondays. Let me know what you think of this hitch mount LED pod reverse light. If you found value in this video, just hit that like button, consider subscribing, and press that bell notification so you don't miss any of our future videos. See you in the next one.